Hello guys, it's Alexander Turnbull here, senior stylist and beauty expert from René of Paris and Aderans. Today, I've got to share something amazing with you today. I'm going to show you a very soft, very wearable up style, accentuating the curls and the movement. So we're going with a very romantic, very gentle, easy wearable hairstyle. So, you're probably asking, what on earth is that wig and what on earth is that colour, because it looks so gorgeous? Well, this, my friends, is Rylee in Melted Marshmallow. So yeah, it looks absolutely stunning. I mean, this is how she comes literally just out the box. So we've got that kind of almost very beachy, very soft kind of curl running through. Let me show you in the back area here how that comes through. Very wearable. Now, Melted Marshmallow is probably certainly in my top 5 favourite colours. Now, melted means that it's going into various different colours. So we get the long roots, we get the rooted colours. This is melting from the roots into a beigey kind of marshmallowy, kind of toasted feeling, into those really pale, icy colours at the ends. So I'm going to work with the clear bands, and what I'm going to do is I'm literally going to grab pieces of hair, put it into ponies, just taking the tail comb here, the wooden René of Paris tail comb, and combing that in. Wooden combs are amazing for anti-static. To start with, I'm just going to put a clear band in there, and I'm only wrapping it twice, guys, okay? So wrap that twice, and then leave that forward. Same again. So now we've got one piece, 2 piece, we've got now this final section. So now what we're left with is we've got 3 ponies. So now what we need to do is bring the hair from the sides and incorporate that into the middle of the hairstyle. Picking this area, lifting it into the front, and I think we'll let that leave out. I'm going to do the same with the outside, just using the bobby pins. You should have something that's looking pretty much like this. To gather the hair that's at the bottom, so all from the nape, and I just wanted to wrap that together with that last ponytail, and then put a grip in there to grip that up. So we've got hair cascading down in different areas. We've got a lot of hair coming down. Now you've got the bases of that in, it's all about positioning the hair. So if you see my fingers, what I'm doing very loosely, just going to grip this into the base. I've got some hair here, so what I want to do here is turn that hair, and if you see what I did there, look, I went round my finger, turned it round my finger, so I've got something to hold up on the base. So what I'm doing now is I'm filling in the gaps between the ponytails. I'm just taking our original ponies and I'm lifting that up and leaving around about so much hair out each time. And again, with this piece of hair, gripping that up, leave a couple of softer pieces here, maybe something around here, which looks beautiful. I'm just going to offer that up. See what I did there, look guys? Because I got my finger and moved that in, and I just went to see if that balances that one little piece of hair coming out. Do you know what? It does. We've used a Rylee in Melted Marshmallow. I've used a Rylee for the reasoning being, I love the curl pattern in Rylee. It's kind of a beachy, really beachy, soft kind of wave, kind of curl. It's somewhere in between the two. And I've used probably one of my favourite colours, Melted Marshmallow. And what we were going for today, guys, was a really dreamy, really easy, very romantic up style with hair coming down and cascading and quite soft. So I think we achieved that. So we did that by putting 3 ponies in, one here, one here, one here, then leaving the sides and back out. And then what we did with those ponies was we then just took the hair and gathered it into where the ponies was, wrapped round the bands, and then wrapping round the bands, leaving us this final finish. So from me, Alexander Turnbull at René of Paris and Aderans, today we've been doing upstyling using the fabulous Rylee in Melted Marshmallow. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, carry on watching us on all the social media channels. If there's anything you want to see personally, get in contact with us. And as always, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.